Aircraft can't fly if they can't move. Your job as an aircraft hydraulic system specialist is to make sure they do. Working with a team of other maintainers, you'll be the one they turn to when critical systems need care. From flight controls and weapons to landing gear and brakes, you'll make sure everything checks out before the aircraft is out the door. Following your specialized training in the Air National Guard, you'll be an expert in all things hydraulics and pneumatics, areas of expertise that will serve you well on base and in your civilian career. Take the next step and submit a request for more information. It's your move.